Okay, let's see what we do with this run-off paint, scraped off paint. I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to try and reuse it. So I'm going to add some colour in it. Again, I'm going to create another art piece with another canvas. Pretty sure it'll be beautiful. I'm going to throw in the mix, which you probably think, what is she doing? Some purple. Let's see this beauty come to life. Hopefully, or a big muddy mess. But I'm just trying to show you that nothing's wasted. You just keep working with the paint runoff or the scrape off. If you're not happy, scrape it. Don't put up with it. As in life, you do not have to put up with it. Throw a bit of white in here. This is the best kind of art, when you just absolutely don't give a poop and you just do what your heart desire. Throw it all on there. I say, where's the canvas that I can quickly use? Okay, let's go. Oh, that's a bit small for that. Okay, let's try. What about my arch canvas? Yeah, the arch canvas. Oh, I got these lovely arched canvas. Even that's not really big enough. Maybe I will go the big one. Let's do the oh, I've got a leg missing off it. Jeez Louise, I tell you. Let's give it a go anyway. So literally just drop it in there. Drop it in. And so I'm going to try and squeeze all the paint out to this size canvas. That colour popping out is just beautiful. I've had one of my push pins come out there, so I can't turn it over and put it straight up. Silly Gilly. Squeeze it all out. Let's hope that it covers the canvas. If it doesn't, then you've got every excuse to do some balloon kissing on the parts it don't cover. So the colour's beautiful. Let me give it a twist. And I am going to lift it up this way. Oh my goodness. Wow, wow, wow. That is super. Hang on. I've got, like I said, I've got a little bit missing there. Put that little balloon under it. That's it. Oh, that is gorgeous. Yes, it's got some little thin paint bits, but I'm going to get my balloon, my trusty balloon, dip it into some of the paint underneath, and I'm going to make my beautiful summer garden in here. That's gorgeous actually. Those colours are super good together. I'll have to get a tray to put this on. See, it pretty much missed that, but that's what your balloon is absolutely perfect for embellishing it. I'm going to try and move it along so I can use a bit more of this paint underneath. So nothing is wasted. These balloon dips are excellent for people that are just beginners in the fluid art journey, because it just shows you, when you create something like this and you've never done art before, you get so excited and it's encouraging to push on. I just love that. Love it, love it, love it. Let me give it a whiz over. That's fabulous. I'm going to show you. Even, I have done this several times in a dip. I'm going to actually, I'm going to add some further embellishments. Probably, maybe just up here. Let's see how I go. What did I want to put in there? I want to put some more of that purple in. I want to bring the more of the purple out on this side where it didn't show. We think she's a crazy. What's she doing now? Let's give it a go. got me stainless steel straw with my bendy end. Got them from a local discount store. Just give me a second and get my deflated balloon. So I've got a few sort of floating blooms there. That is beautiful. I think I've got a bit of a blob in there. Not going to do any more to that. That is just perfect. Super happy with those colours. Really bright and vibrant. Yep, loving it, loving it, loving it. How easy was that with your scraped off paint? Just reuse. Or if you have a lot of runoff paint when you're tilting off a cut pour or something, or a wipe, that waterproof waxed craft paper is $5 a roll. Where is it? And it's excellent because it doesn't split or anything. It's called waterproof. It's waterproof backing, reinforced reverse for extra strength. So you can just scrape anything off it and it stays, or you can allow the wax paper to dry and use your design on the wax paper. So super happy with that one. Love the colours. What do you guys think of the colours? And yeah, I did do those little blowout flowers as well, which I don't normally do with a dip because it's got enough going on, but you know, in for a penny, in for a pound. Take care, my lovelies. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely, depressed, or simply overwhelmed, don't suffer in silence. Ring a family member or a friend or a helpline if that's available to you. Bye for now.